Hey guys, we're at the house again today and we're working on siding. We got Farmer here with us, so today I'm going to be showing you how much we accomplished with our siding. We're trying to work on one wall at a time, taking it off and then putting more on so that we don't have too much weather beating on our house when it's exposed. This wall over here, I tore this stuff off the other day, so we're putting this corner on to keep it protected, and then we're going to move that way.
Got your trailer?
Oh man, scratch my trailer. Well, this was the only place on the property we could park this trailer. There's like 2 feet of space on each side. Like there's no room here for trailers, so that's all we could do. So this is just the old composite siding that we're taking off. Once it gets damaged, you can't really repair it. So we're taking it off and we're replacing it with James Hardie smooth. This is Arctic white. I'm gonna double check that. Board and batten siding. So just to get across it real fast, we're just putting up full sheets of the board, and then we'll go back through and add all the batten afterwards. We are just following our friendly vine. This guy right here.
That's where that portion stops.
Lives under our siding, pops out in random places up on top of the house. It does live in the attic. So one thing with working in town is there's very little space. I mean, we've got our pile here that we've got to get out of here, but this is our backyard area, and we do have access over here. There's an alley, but my goodness, look where we had to put the trailer. There's very little space. So that's been a trick to figure out how to move around things. Siding is going to be interesting that way. So we're strategically taking off the siding as we put on more to protect the house. All we had to do was fix the tar paper along the bottom and add some more down there, but everything else is in good shape. These things are 10-footers, they're huge. So they're kind of tricky to get up there sometimes, but we feel really good about getting 4 sheets all on this side and 4 sheets on the other side. And we are calling it a night because it's getting dark. I think I got like majorly sunburnt today. Maybe it's all the reflection off of the white siding. So to save money today, we brought our own lunch and dinner. Having chicken pot pie and pears. Looks like you're loving yours.
Yeah, I just saved my chicken pot pie for last.
Cause it's yummy, huh?
Yeah.
Anyways, bringing our own meals saves a ton of money. We also had a bunch of our own tools that we used today, and we actually bought our siding on Craigslist. So we were just discussing how today we put up 8 full sheets. We had to cut some things out and stuff. It doesn't sound like a lot, but to get everything set up and get everything figured out, we were trying to determine how many more days it would take us to put up the rest of the board, not the batten, the board all the way around the house. And we think that we could finish it in about 5 more days, like this. But this was really only a half day. So if we had anybody come help us, or if we actually showed up in the morning instead of at noon, then we could get way more done. But we're thinking like 5 days. I hate siding so bad. I really wish we could have found a siding contractor to put it up for us. But it just continues to get harder to find subcontractors. We said that 2 years ago. It's hard to find contractors. And now here we are 2 years later, and it's even harder. We can't even get people to come, like, call me back, come out and check things out, like nothing. So guess we're just on our own this time.
Still.